Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: paired Apple Watch and unlocked iPhone. Open camera remote on the watch and place the phone where you want the shot. Once done, pick photo or video mode on the watch. If you want to join, enable the 3-second timer. Make sure the iPhone camera lens faces the subject and stabilize the phone. A tripod or flat surface improves framing. Then check the thumbnail preview on the watch to confirm composition and start fine adjustments. With live view on the watch, use that small preview to refine your framing and composition. You can swipe or use the digital crown to change focal length or zoom, turn slowly for smooth motion. Once framed, make exposure and flash changes on the iPhone if required. These changes reflect in the watch preview. If you need portrait or wide, switch lenses on the phone and recheck the preview. Keep both devices within Bluetooth range, so tap the shutter on your watch to take the picture or press and hold to record video. The watch will show recording time and let you stop remotely. After capture, inspect the thumbnail on the watch, then open photos on the iPhone for full review and edits. If the watch doesn't trigger the camera, make sure Bluetooth is on and both devices are unlocked. Restart the camera app, toggle Bluetooth, or reboot the watch and phone. That usually resolves most connectivity hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.